Hello children, how are you all doing? Okay, today we are going to learn the story Lion and the Mouse. Okay, you all like it, right? Yes, let's start. So I will show you the someone is coming to the story. Who is that? Who is that? Lawyer. Who is he? Lawyer. The lion was sleeping. The lion was sleeping. And who is there? One more. Mouse. Who is this? Mouse. So the mouse was dancing and jumping up, down, up, down, up, down. The mouse was jumping up, down. And what did mouse do? It came on the lion's tummy and it was jumping. It was jumping. And suddenly, what happened? Lion got up. Roar! Roar! What you're doing? And lion caught the mouse and said, what you're doing? Then what the rat says, I'm sorry, please leave me. Lion says, why you're dancing on me? Then the mouse says, I'm sorry, I'm just playing over here. Please leave me. Please leave me. When you are in trouble, I will help you. And the lion says, you so small mouse, how can you help me? You are so small. Anyhow, you will not fill my hunger. Okay, so I'm leaving you. Go. And the mouse ran away from the place. After a few days, what happened? They stay in the jungle, right? So who will come to the jungle? Hunters, yes. So one day the lion was walking in the jungle and he himself caught in the hunter's net. Okay, so he himself caught in the hunter's net. Oh, now the lion roaring. It was roaring. And what happens? It was roaring, it got tired and it was pleasing to help. Help, he is looking for help. Then who heard the noise? Mouse. And mouse came running and saw the lion is caught in the net. So what the mouse will do? He will call all his friends and he'll say, we have to help the lion. Then the mouse came and he bet he and his friends or cut the net and the lion. Now the lion is free from the net. Yes, the lion is free from the net. And the lion says, thank you, mouse. The mouse is very happy and they both became friends. Now they both are playing and they both became a good friends. Okay, so what did you understand, children, with this? Yes, tell me, what did you understand? Yes, a friend in need is a friend in deed. Okay, so you have to help each other. Yes, yeah. Bye bye.